How to remove multiple accounts from Google. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can remove multiple accounts from Google. In order to remove multiple accounts from Google, first of all, open up your settings application. While you're on the settings page, here you'll be able to see all sort of details. So on this page, scroll down to the bottom and go to accounts. In my case, I have account, but the interface or the option might be different, so you need to go to accounts. Here you'll be able to see all of the account that's associated on your device. In order to remove the particular Google account, just tap on the Google account and click on the remove button. Once again, there will be a confirmation, tap on the remove button, and after that you'll be notified that the Google account has been successfully removed. Along with the Google account, all sorts of services will also be removed, such as your YouTube, your Play Store, your everything. So in this way you can remove Google account from your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.